Mga kaganapan sa ating himpilan, ihahatid sa inyo, #PalaNews.
Bago matapos ang taong 2024, sa buwan ng Disyembre, ay inimbitahan ng ating Hepe PAO Chief Persida Acosta bilang Guest of Honor and Speaker ng 19th Commencement Ceremony ng Pacific Intercontinental College sa PICC Plenary Hall, Pasay City. Let us all watch this.
We can't contain our gladness. We want to express our happiness. We're overfilled with joy today. We have a celebration for a good reason. We're done with many nights of weeping. This is our morning of rejoicing. Good vibes in the air, we truly feel. And there's the voice of the people saying, Chief Acosta, you're defending the people's rights. You keep on fighting the good fight, the justice and public service. You've dedicated your life. You're deeply touching others' lives.
Cases of national and global interest. You've many of these tirelessly worked hard until they are solved. You've set the bar high in serving the people. You've made the PAO a byword in every household.
The Pacific Intercontinental College, PIC, has conducted its 19th commencement ceremony, honoring over 1,500 graduates with master's and doctorate degrees. The ceremony was held at the Philippine International Convention Center, or PICC, in Pasay City, Philippines. Before this occasion, the officers of the PIC paid a courtesy call to our beloved Chief Public Attorney, Dr. Persida Virueda Acosta, DSD, in her office in Quezon City, inviting her to be a guest of honor and the commencement speaker of the said momentous event.
Your commencement ceremony will always have a special place in my heart. You know why? It is because, dear graduates, your course and profession belong to one of the noblest lines of work and callings. I am also grateful to the Lord, since aside from being the Chief Public Attorney of the Republic of the Philippines, for more than 2 decades, or about 24 years now, I am also both humbled and honored to have been blessed with a calling in teaching. I started teaching in law school in 1990, a year after I placed fourth in the Philippine Bar Examinations. Mga justices na po mga estudyante ko, judges, prosecutors, successful practitioners, businessmen. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world.
PAO Chief Acosta mentioned in her speech the qualities she and the graduates have in common.
Persistent. That is an adjective that many people associate with my first name. Persistent. Persida. Patient. Persevere. Ako po yan, si Persida. Alam nyo ang kasaysayan ng aking buhay, bagaman ngayon lang nyo ako nakitang personal. Karamihan sa inyo ay tagal Visayas, Mindanao, at iba yung dako ng Luzon. I believe, dear graduates, that you all share this quality with me. You are all persistent. You are all here to serve our countrymen.
With this quality trait, the graduates were able to find the academic community that suited them best given the challenging roles they have to maintain while engaging in their studies.
With persistence to search for an academic community which could address your need and which PIC could uniquely and effectively give. An online transnational education Indeed, you had the best pick in PIC. Palakpakan naman yung PIC. We can say that the Pacific Intercontinental College, or PIC, is one of the pioneers in online education in our country.
Toward the end of his speech, the longest-serving Chief Public Attorney of the Republic of the Philippines acknowledged the fact that there may be future public servants among the crowd of intellectual individuals.
Among our students, there could be potential leaders. Baka yung katabi nyo, susunod na presidente ng Pilipinas. Behind every leader, certainly there is an educator who shapes the former's mind for the better. Thank you very much. Mabuhay! Sarangheo! Gamsahamnida! Mabuhay kayong lahat. Mabuhay ang sambayanang Pilipino. Mabuhay ang PAO. Mabuhay ang PIC. Maraming salamat.
Persida sa puso't isipan ang pangarap sa buhay. Maging abogado ng bayan, hustisya'y kanyang ilalaan. Sa kamay ni Persida, kabutihan ang ilalaan. Kanyang kayamanan, prinsipyo, dignidad. Persida Acosta, abogado ng masa. Persida Acosta, lingkod ng bayan. Persida may takot sa Diyos, nagmamalasakit sa kapwa. Persida Acosta, sama-sama't magkaisa, tulungan ang naaapi. Katotohanan at katarungan, Persida tunay na kasanggap. Sa kamay ni Persida, kabutihan ang mananaig. Kanyang kayamanan, prinsipyo, dignidad. Persida Acosta, abogado ng masa. Persida Acosta, lingkod ng bayan. Persida may takot sa Diyos, nagmamalasakit sa kapwa. Persida Acosta, Persida Acosta, abogado ng masa. Persida Acosta, lingkod ng bayan. Persida may takot sa Diyos, nagmamalasakit sa kapwa. Persida Acosta, Persida Acosta, nagmamahal sa bayan. Persida Acosta.
This is Geraldine Ranius reporting for #Pala News. Persida Acosta, justice of the masses, justice against poverty.